Hello, I'm Alexander Hunt III, Product Manager for TE Connectivity's Lighting and Installation Connectors. I appreciate this opportunity to introduce you to TE's LUMAWISE Endurance N outdoor lighting and control solutions. In just a few minutes, you will learn why the LUMAWISE Endurance N lighting ecosystem is so popular with our customers and how you may benefit from using these products in your design. Why LUMAWISE Endurance N receptacle bases and covers? The LumaWise Endurance N products provide the electrical and mechanical interface between an ANSI C136 compliant 0 to 10 analog or digital dimming control and luminaire. The LumaWise ecosystem is backwards compatible with existing ANSI C136.10 lighting systems that utilize 3-pole line voltages connections and benefit from additional use of signal connections for dimming control. The ANSI C136.41 compliant portfolio offers cost-effective outdoor lighting LED solutions designed to operate in harsh environments while reducing factory assembly and/or on-site installation costs. LumaWise Endurance N receptacles, bases, and covers provide many benefits and solutions to customer problems. TE Connectivity's ANSI C136.41 compliant dimming receptacles are available with 2 or 4 dimming contacts to support dimming control while providing a reliable power interconnect with 3 robust twist lock contacts. TE offers dimming receptacles with 3, 5, or 7 position connections that can be fixed or rotatable for perfect alignment of the photocell or network lighting control. The standard LumaWise Endurance base provides an IP66 seal rating between the base and cover and the enclosure and receptacle that includes the ANSI C136.41 interface with contacts for controlling the LED driver and/or an auxiliary power supply unit. The LumaWise Endurance N product series also offers UV-resistant high-impact rated covers in clear or transparent smoke gray colors and sizes to fully seal and protect the electronics inside the network lighting control. LumaWise Endurance N solutions are available in varying sizes to offer the lighting control designers ultimate flexibility in providing increased functionality and network lighting controls that will be utilized in connected lighting and/or smart city lighting applications. The LumaWise N is available with the following 3, 5, and 7 position configurations, 76 millimeter and 81 millimeter diameter bases and covers, 50 millimeter, 75 millimeter, 98 millimeter, and 130 millimeter height covers, IP66 base and shorting and open caps with pre-assembled O-rings and separate gaskets. The LumaWise N Plus is available with the following 3, 5, and 7 position configurations, 84 millimeter diameter base covers, 58.6 millimeter and 117 millimeter height covers, IP66 base and shorting and open caps with integrated gaskets. The LumaWise Endurance N bases and shorting caps make the standard and rotatable dimming receptacles. The LumaWise ALR photocells and shorting caps mate to dimming and non-dimming receptacles. LumaWise Endurance N portfolio can be used in a wide range of lighting applications that include the following: area lighting, street lighting, roadway lighting, decorative lighting, which includes antique and vintage lamp lighting luminaires, commercial lighting luminaires such as car dealerships, parking lots, etc., wall wish lighting, and wall-mounted lighting luminaires. It is important to note that the LumaWise Endurance N and N Plus products offer solutions that will also meet the requirements of the specifiers and end users of the LED roadway, street, and area lighting luminaire and control. With this information in hand, please consider the TE LED lighting ecosystem and your next luminaire and network lighting control design. Our engineering and product management teams are ready to support you and reduce the time to market for your new product introductions. TE has the resources to educate you. Please use them. For more information or to order samples, please visit te.com and search LumaWise Endurance N. Thank you very much.